Hey guys, it's Baxter again. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to join a Zoom meeting. In some of my earlier videos, I showed you how to host a meeting and invite people, but this time, I'm going to show you how to join someone else's meeting. So first, what you want to do is open up the Zoom application on your computer, so it looks like this. Now you can see there's different tabs. It says New Meeting, Join, Schedule, Share Screen. This is the tab we're going to be focusing on, the Join tab. So there's two ways to join a meeting. One is someone can email you a link to their meeting, and the other is you can type in a meeting ID code, which is just a bunch of numbers. So I'm going to go through how to join a meeting first with a link. You're going to ask the person who's hosting the meeting to send you an invite to your email. Now, if you go to your email and click on the email they sent you, the email will look like this with a bunch of numbers and links and everything like that. The one you're going to focus on is the top link where it says Join Zoom Meeting. This is going to be the link you want to click if you want to join the meeting. So as we can see here, I will click the link. I'll press Open Zoom here. And there we go. We are now joined into the meeting. So this is the other person and this is you. I'm just joining my own meeting for now just to make it simpler. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Now we're going to leave and try the second method. Okay, now we're going to go through the second method to join a meeting. If you have joined this person's meeting before, or if you know the person's personal meeting ID, then this is a pretty easy way for them to let you join without sending an email. You're going to click on this Join button, and then it'll show a Meeting ID tab. This is where you'll want to know the person's meeting ID. It is basically 10 numbers, basically like a phone number. If they send this to you once, you can save it, and then whenever there's a meeting, you can always type in that same number. So here, my friend sent me their personal meeting ID, and I'm just going to type it into this box. Okay, now after you've typed in the meeting ID, this little join button is going to light up in blue, and then all you do is go ahead and click this once. It will show you connecting to the meeting, and there you go. You've joined the meeting. Alright, I hope that helped anyone with any questions. If you do have any further questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below or send them to the email we have in our description. Thank you very much and have a good one.